Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with Emma and Ben.
Hello, hello. How are you today, listeners?
I hope you're feeling great. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Today, we have a very important topic.
Yes, we're going to fully explain the simple present tense in English.
Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds.
And we'll make it fun with stories, examples, and even a small mini game for practice.
1. What is simple present? The simple present is a tense we use to talk about things that happen every day, things that happen often, or things that are always true.
For example, I eat breakfast every morning.
Yes, and the sun rises in the east. This is always true. It doesn't change.
Oh, so we can use it for habits, routines, and facts.
Exactly. And even general truths, like water boils at 100 degrees Celsius.
Wow, English is everywhere.
2. Making simple present sentences.
Okay, now let's see how to make simple present sentences.
For I, you, we, and they, we use the base form of the verb.
Base form? That's just the verb without s, ed, or anything extra.
Can you give examples, Emma?
Sure. I play soccer. You like pizza. They study English.
Oh, that's simple.
But for he, she, or it, we add s at the end of the verb.
Like she plays tennis, he watches TV, it rains a lot in spring.
Exactly. One small rule, one person or thing, add s.
Got it. I'll remember. He, she, it, verb plus s.
3. Negative sentences.
Next, how do we make negative sentences?
For I, you, we, they, we use do not or don't.
Example, I do not like broccoli. Or, they don't play football.
And for he, she, it, we use does not or doesn't.
Yes, he doesn't eat meat. She doesn't watch scary movies.
Wait, one question. When we say doesn't, do we add s to the verb too?
No, that's the trick. He eats positive. He doesn't eat negative. The S disappears.
Ah, I see. Very important.
4. Questions in simple present.
Now, how do we ask questions?
We use do or does at the start of the question.
Example, do you like coffee?
And for he, she, it, does she like coffee?
Exactly. And the answers can be short.
Like, yes, I do. No, she doesn't.
Perfect.
5. Fun story for vocabulary practice.
Let's make it fun. Let's tell a story about a cat named Max.
Oh, I love it. Every morning, Max runs around the garden.
Yes, runs because Max is one cat, he, she, it, add s.
Max also eats breakfast. Sometimes he sleeps under the tree.
And sometimes he chases butterflies. Max is very busy.
Listeners, you can make your own story too. Think about your pet, your friend, or yourself.
For example, I brush my teeth in the morning. My dog sleeps all day.
6. Daily life examples.
Let's give more examples from our daily life.
I wake up at 7 every day.
I drink coffee in the morning.
You take the bus to work, right?
Yes, and my cat sleeps all day.
And my dog, he plays in the garden every afternoon.
Listeners, see, simple present is everywhere in English life.
7. Little practice exercise.
Okay, now it's time for a little practice.
I will say a sentence, and listeners try to say if it's correct or not.
Ready?
He go to school every day.
Not correct. It should be he goes to school every day.
Good. Next, they plays football on Sundays.
Not correct. It should be they play football on Sundays.
One more. She drinks water every morning.
Correct. Perfect sentence.
Listeners, you can pause the podcast here and try making 3 sentences about yourself. 8. Special uses of simple present.
Did you know the simple present is also used to talk about feelings, likes, and dislikes?
Really? Can you give examples?
Sure. I love chocolate. She likes music. They hate spiders.
Ah, so we use it for emotions too.
Exactly. And also for schedules like buses or trains.
Example,
The train leaves at 9 a.m. The shop opens at 10 a.m.
listeners, see, simple present is everywhere in English life. 9. Minigame. Fill in the blank.
Let's do a mini game. I will say a sentence with a blank. You guess the verb.
Ready.
She blank eat breakfast at 7 a.m.
Answer?
Correct answer is eats. She eats breakfast at 7 a.m.
Next. They blank play football on Sundays.
Answer is play. They play football on Sundays.
Last one. I blank like ice cream.
Answer is like. I like ice cream.
Great practice, listeners. 10. Wrap up and tips.
Let's review what we learned today. Use base verbs for I, you, we, they. Add s for he, she, it. Use don't or doesn't for negatives. Use do or does for questions. Use simple present for habits, facts, emotions, and schedules.
And practice is very important. Try to make small sentences about your day.
Even simple sentences like, I brush my teeth in the morning, or my dog sleeps all day.
Yes, and the more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this episode.
And leave a comment telling us what you do every day.
We love hearing from you.
Have fun practicing your English, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you next time.